Veken French press coffee maker, 8 cups, 34 ounces, 304 stainless steel coffee press with 4 filter screens, durable easy clean heat resistant borosilicate glass 100% BPA free. Different choices other than pure coffee, you can also use it for juice, tea, frothed milk, hot chocolate, and more. There are plenty of choices for you to renew and re-energize yourself. A gift people will use, perfect for housewarmings, weddings, birthdays, holidays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year, and Valentine's Day for coffee tea lovers. It includes 2 bonus stainless steel screens and the accessories with every purchase, while quantities last. What will you get? 1 wooden spoon, 1 measuring spoon, 1 milk frother, 1 sponge cleaning brush, 4 filter screens, 1 instruction manual, 1 French press coffee maker safety reminder, 1. Keep away from children when hot to avoid burns. 2. Using excessive force can cause scalding liquid to shoot out of the pot. 3. Do not use on an induction cooker. Veken is the sole authorized seller of the authentic Veken French press on the Amazon platform. Please avoid purchasing from other sellers look similar to Veken, who are not licensed for sale by Veken, as they only carry knockoff products and do not fall under the Veken warranty. Please make sure that you purchase directly from our official Veken store to ensure that the product comes in premium quality and is covered by our promised guarantee period. Be the leader of your own coffee. The glass beaker allows you to monitor the whole coffee making process, watching the hot water and coffee grounds separate as you press the stainless steel filter arm. The aroma of the coffee fills your being, and your troubles have altogether disappeared. Enjoy a quiet and peaceful coffee making experience. Our Veken French press is made of borosilicate glass to reduce the unbearable scratchy noise generated from metal presses. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.